How to enable share button on Facebook. To enable the share button on Facebook post, the Facebook audience must be set to public. Here's how you can do it. Firstly, open Facebook on your device. On Facebook, make sure that you are logged in to your account. Now tap on the three-line icon at the top right corner. Here tap on your profile at the top. Go to the post where you would like to enable the share button. On each post at the top right corner, you will see a three-dot icon. Click on that. Then from the menu that appears, select the option Edit Privacy. If you have set the privacy to only me, select Public. After selecting Public, it will automatically enable the share button. The share button will now be visible to everyone. While you are posting anything on Facebook, for example photo or status, make sure that you have set it to public. Go to the audience option and click on public. And now you can post it on Facebook. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.